Nubia has officially confirmed the launch date of its upcoming gaming smartphone, the redmagic 11 Air. The device will be unveiled in China on January 20th. The brand has shared teasers highlighting changes to the phone's design and positioning. The redmagic 11 Air is positioned as a full-fledged performance flagship and features a true full-screen design with no notch or punch hole, enabled by a 16-megapixel under-display front camera. The alleged redmagic 11 Air features a 6.85-inch OLED screen that offers a resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels. A few design renders of this smartphone have also been revealed, and as per these, the device will be featuring an overall boxy design with a flat display, flat rear, and flat side panels, slightly rounded corners. The redmagic 11 Air's rear camera setup has a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The redmagic 11 Air uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, as confirmed by a Geekbench run of a device with the model number NX799J. Its topmost variant may offer a 24GB plus 1TB configuration. The phone will run Android 16, battery capacity of 6,780 mAh, which could be marketed as a 7,000 mAh typical battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.